have this afternoon,
Oh,
have
Vuela.
your
No,
books ready,
no.
have everything ready, okay? So I'm going to silent your microphones, and that way we can begin, okay, this afternoon, our grammar class, the second part of our grammar class. Okay, let's share our screen. Here we go, share screen, share screen. Okay, here we are. We are sharing our screen. Can you see it? Can everybody see the screen? Send me a yes if you can see it. Yes, says Diana, Flora, Genesis, Leila, Arielita, Daniela. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss Preciosas. Thank you very much. Excellent, Ariana. Good, Avila. Okay, full screen then. Let's have a look at our class for today. We are going to have full screen. Okay, welcome to grammar class, and this is unit 9. We are in the first part of unit 9. And to begin with, I need volunteers to read with me the article for today from the section of Grammar in the Real World. We are going to start reading from we to skills. Do we have volunteers? Let's see. Vargas Aleman, she raised her hand. Let me find you, Danielita. Let me find you. Here it is. Okay, Danielita Vargas, can you help me please reading, sweetie?
We all face challenges in our lives. For example, people lose their jobs or they deal with health problems. These challenges are difficult for all of us. However, if you challenge yourself even when your life is going well, you can be ready to handle the situations in the future. You will become more confident and more creative. You will also improve your problem-solving skills.
Okay, thank you. Excellent. Another volunteer so we can continue reading is challenging yourself. And we are going to read from challenging yourself to here are some examples. Let me see who raised their hands. Let me choose from those who raised their hands. Let me see. We have 2 or 3 people. Okay, Florcita. Thank you, Florcita. Can you please, Flor, continue reading?
Challenging yourself means trying new things. These things will help you, but they may also be difficult or scary. People have their own needs and goals.
Good.
So other people's challenges may be different from yours. Here are some examples.
Excellent. Here are some examples. We are going to read Allison examples and Dan examples. Who wants to read? Let's see. Let's continue with volunteers. Miss Avila wants to read. Excellent. Let me find you. Okay, here it is, Danielita. Let's continue reading.
Allison wants to be more fit. To challenge herself, she works out an extra half hour each day. Dan wants to improve his performance at work. He challenges himself by volunteering to difficult tasks that no one else wants to do.
Excellent. Okay, let's read Mary and Ken. Let's see Mary and Ken. Let's see the challenges that they have to face. Mary and Ken, who wants to read? Let's see. Do we have someone that volunteers to read? Let's see. We have some of you. Okay, Arielita Granados, thank you. Can you read, please?
Mary is afraid to speak in public, so she challenges herself by taking a public speaking class. Ken wants to improve his critical thinking skill. He now reads articles with opinions that are different from his. Do you want to challenge yourself? Follow these 3 easy steps. 1. Write down your goal. Give your plan a start and a finish date. 2. tell people about your goal. This helps you stick to your plan.
3, baby. Okay, I'm going to read number 3 then. The last part. It says, go on a step further than your original plan. For example, do you want to save $25 a week to buy a car someday? Then save $30.20. Take on small challenges every day. Some challenges give people strength. They help people handle life's big challenges when they happen. Okay, this is a fabulous article. We're talking about challenges, challenges that we have to face every single day. Each of us can challenge ourselves in different ways. For example, here's a question. What challenges do you face in your life? What challenges do we face in our life? Well, we face challenges like our grades in the school. What other challenges? You can send me your answers to the chat. What challenges do you face every single day in your life? I want to hear your opinion. For example, you can write your answer on the chat. Excellent, Vargas. She says, you're doing your homework. Arielita Granados, wake up early. That's a great challenge. Flor Rosales, doing something, okay, your chores in your house when you have responsibilities. Ariana, afraid to speak in public. Excellent. I think most teenagers are afraid of speaking in public, and that's normal. But those are challenges that we have to face, and we have to win over those challenges. Speaking in public, I think most of the people, they are really scared of speaking in public. Believe it or not, your teachers, all your teachers, have one day been scared of speaking in public. Talk to new students, Danielita Vargas said. That's true. When you want to make a new friend, when you're you're a new student in one school, you feel challenged, right? Because you need to speak to other students, and it's not easy. Your teachers have been afraid of speaking in public at least once in their lifetime, right? When they were at the university, when they were students, the first time that they gave a class, right, in front of 30 or 50 students, we have faced that challenge too. But we needed to face it. We had to face it. We need to win that challenge. We need to succeed over that challenge, right? And the only way to do it is doing it. Okay, there's no other way. You have to do it. You have to face it. A very easy challenge that the article presents is saving money. And believe it or not, it's not that easy. You need to save money. But all the time when you start saving money, suddenly a reason to spend that money appears. Okay, suddenly you need to buy this, you need money for this, suddenly a medicine, suddenly something, right? But you must try always to save as much as you can. If you spend money, then you also have to save a little bit more, right? So this is a very good challenge. We must always try to face our challenges. Remember that. Okay, let's see our comprehension check. It says question number 1. According to the text, what are some reasons to challenge yourselves? This is according to the text. Here we have, very good, excellent, yeah. You can be ready to handle tough situations. Excellent, that is a good reason. You can be ready to handle tough situations, says Ariela. To handle tough times, said Monica Garcia. Excellent, well done. Okay, here is also a part, Andrea Guerra says to try new things. Perfect, very good. Okay, here, according to the text that we just read, here we have some answers. If you challenge yourself, you can be ready to handle tough situations in the future. You will become more confident and more creative, and you will improve your problem-solving skills. Very good, Vargas. She said to be more confident and be creative. Okay, those are the answers for number 1. Number 2, how does challenging yourself help you when you have real problems? How do they help you? Here we have the answer. Small challenges give people strength. They give people strength when they have real problems. Okay, once you win over the challenge, you get stronger, right? So when serious problems arrive, you are almost ready to face them. Number 3, if you want to challenge yourself, what are some steps to follow? Okay, remember that we have 3 steps. We just read them. Here they are. Very good, Canizales. Write down a goal. Tell people about your goal. Excellent. There you go. We have number 1. Tell down your goal. Tell people about your goal. Go on a step further than your original plan. Those are the 3 steps to follow when you are going to challenge yourself. Okay, there we are. Okay, let's continue. We have notice C. Read the sentences when the article and answer the questions. Mary is afraid to speak in public, so she challenges herself by taking a public speaking class. Who does she refer to? The word who. Very good, Avila. Canizales. They refer to. Excellent. Mary. Very good job. Who does herself refer to? Also Mary. There it is, number 1. Excellent. Very good, Garcia, Mary, and Mary. Excellent job. Number 2, Ken wants to improve his critical thinking skills. Who does his refer to in the sentence? Very good, Monica. Excellent, Avila. Very good. Excellent. Yes, Ariana, Ariela too. Well done. Number 2 is Ana Ariela. Excellent. Ken. It refers to Ken. Okay, this is page 105. The exercise notice C. Answers Mary, Mary, and Ken. Okay, let's continue. Here we have our charts. We are going to read them and have a short discussion. So it says, subject, we already know the subjects, I, you, he, she, they, and we. Then if we are going to turn the subject pronoun into an object pronoun, we have to remember that subject I, object me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, and they, them. So these are the object pronouns. Then let's talk about possessive determiners plus a noun. The determiners possessives when they are expressing possession, something that belongs to you. And the noun, we can say my car, your house, his watch, her dress, its food, our game, their doctor, for example. So we have our possessive determiners, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. But if we are going to talk about possessives, okay, we must remember, these are not determiners. We already saw the determiners. Here we have possessives. Possessives are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. For example, the house is mine. As you can see, possessives, they go at the end of the sentence. We don't write it at the beginning. Determiners, they can go at the beginning or at the middle. But possessives, most of the time they go at the end. The car is yours, goes at the end, right? Demonstrating possessions. Now let's talk about the reflexive pronouns. Reflexives try to imagine the action coming back to you, right? Like in front of a mirror, right? It reflects itself to you. I'm going to brush myself, okay? Lo haré yo misma, myself. You have to correct yourself, right? He has to clean himself, right? So the action of cleaning returns to the person, that is him. That's why it is himself. With she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, and they, themselves. Okay? Excellent. Page 105. Let's continue. Using pronouns. Use subject pronouns to replace nouns in the subject position. Instead of saying Allison, we are going to use a subject pronoun, and it is she. We can say Roberto wants to speak with me. We change it into a subject pronoun. We say he wants to speak with me. Okay? Use object pronoun to replace nouns. Sarah loves exercise classes. She takes them 3 times a week. So we use them, our object pronoun, instead of exercise class. Letter C, use a possessive pronoun to replace a possessive determiner plus a singular or plural noun. My exercise class is at night. Hers is on the weekend. So instead of saying my exercise class, my is a determiner, we can replace it with a possessive, right? That is hers, because the class belonged to her. So hers is on the weekend. Amy's classes meet in the afternoon. His meet in the morning. Okay, Amy's classes. Here we are talking about Amy. How about we replace Amy for something that someone else is gonna do, like I don't know, his father, his brother, her father. So we use his meet in the morning. So Amy's in the afternoon and he's in the morning. Okay? His classes. Use reflexive pronouns when the object of the sentence is the same as the subject. I taught myself to speak Japanese. They are the same. I, myself. We don't say I taught herself, because herself would be working with she, not with I. So I, myself. Ken, that is he, is going to work with himself as a reflective pronoun. So Ken challenges himself by reading different opinions. The students didn't hurt themselves. This is a plural, students. So we use them, reflexive pronoun, themselves, in the exercise class. Okay, we already saw several rules. Here we have more examples. It says by a reflexive pronoun, that means alone. My son can ride a bike by himself. Only him, it means alone when we say by himself. Reciprocal pronouns when 2 or more people give and receive the same action. And we have a reciprocal pronoun when we use, for example, each other or one another, because both of them are going to receive something. Mary and I have the same challenge. We help each other. So we help. Mary is being helped and I am being helped. So both, okay? That's why it is reciprocal. We both receive something. Tom and his sisters email one another, so they both receive emails. You can use one to replace a singular noun. I need an exercise class. That one looks good. So we replace exercise class, that is singular, only one, not plural, only one. And we say that one looks good. If we have a plural, we are going to add S to one. And we say running shoes or ones. I like the black ones. We are referring to the same running shoes, but this time in plural. Okay, excellent job now. Listening to the rules. Let's continue with exercise 2.1, page 107. And let's complete together, as always, our exercise. Circle the correct pronoun. How do you challenge yourself? I never finish my work on time, so I challenge. What are we going? Yeah, excellent girls. Some was very good. Genesis, Ariana, Paola, Monica, and the rest that I cannot read because you're coming really fast. Okay, I made a study schedule. I did it all by, how do I do it? All by, very good. Rela, Genia, Monica, Ariana, Tintia, Flor, Paola, Mejia, Avila, very good. Myself. No one helped eat. or no one helped me. Paola, Genesis, Flor, excellent. Diana, Canizales, excellent. Jessica. The schedule is very tight, so I'm staying on it. Very good, Relajeño. Genesis, Flor, Diana, very good. Canizales, Paola, and Jessica. Well done. My friends and my teachers all say that I'm doing well. People are telling us how they are improving. Why are they improving? Yes, very good, Andrea, Monica, Paola, Andrea Guerra, Rihanna, Flor. There, excellent. Well done, girls. How are you improving yours? I'm giving you this one. Very good, Garcia, and the rest. I'm afraid of flying, so travel is difficult. I got help from a friend, so she also was afraid of flying. And she got better by, very good, Avila, Ariana Tintia, Genesis, Canizales, Ariela Granados, Jessica, Flor, Paola. Excellent girls. You are amazing. Very good. So now she's helping me. Very good, Vargas. Now she's helping me. My first flight is next week. I feel very good about, very good, Avila, Campos. Excellent girls. Very good job. Eat. I feel strong and confident. We are asking people about their challenges in life. What? Very good, Monica Garcia, Andrea, Genesis, Relajeño, Paola, Vargas, Ariana, Flor, Avila. Very good job, girls. You are great. Very good. Let me give you number 12. Ours is saving money. Daniela and I want to buy a house. So, very good, Flor, Guerra, Ariana, Genesis, Mejia, Relajeño. Very good. So our challenge is not spending too much money. Let's see, 14, we are challenging ourselves to make a budget and save money each week. Let's see the last one. We remind, very good, Garcia, excellent, excellent, very good, Garcia. Ariana, very good, that's the answer. Andrea, excellent, this was a tricky one. This was kind of tricky one, but here it is. We remind one another to be careful about money. We help each other. Very good, Monica, Guerra, Rihanna, excellent, well done. Okay, excellent. These are the answers for page 107. Wonderful job, very good. Do we all have the answers? Can I continue to the next page? Yes, no, finished? Yes, okay, excellent, thank you, girls. Page 108. Exercise 2.2, one and once. Remember, one for singular, once when we refer to plural now. So let's see. Let's read the example. Do you want the large box of cereal? No, I'm saving money. I want the small one because it's singular, only one box of cereal. Number 2, which exercise class are you taking? Very good, Genesis, Avila, Garcia, Guerrero, Flor, and Vargas. Very good job. Number 2 is 1. I'm making a budget. Can I borrow your calculator? Sorry, I don't have. Yes, girls. Excellent. Well done. 1. Let's see, number 4. Which sports do you like to do? I like the challenging. Okay, here it says once, Garcia once, Flor, Genesis, one says Ariela Granados, Vargas, Mejia, Jessica says once. Excellent, that is the correct answer. Very good, girls. Good job. Number 5, I'm giving you 5 and 6 so we can continue. Do you want to return these running shoes? Yes, the ones that I ordered were white. Let's see number 7. Do you want to sign up for a credit card with our store? No, I don't want. Okay, they said 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, we all agree that is 1. Very good. Number 8, I need to go downtown. Which bus which bus stop should I go to? The blank on Oak Street. Very good, Flor, Genesis, Daniela Mejia, Ariana, Ariela. Excellent. Number 8 is 1. Perfect. Well done. Very good job, girls. Excellent work. Very good. Okay, you write to me if you're done, if we finished. So we can continue to page 109. Very good. Avila says done, 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 done. Okay, girls, thank you very much. Let's jump to page 109. Here we are, page 109. Exercise 2.3. It says prepositions and reflexive pronouns. Data from the real world. Research shows that reflexive pronouns frequently follow these verbs with for, to, and about. Do, when we do something. For and make, also for something. For, talk to, plus someone. In this case, it's not when we are relating things to something, but to people, right? Pay attention over here to the rule at the top of page 109, where it says, do, when you do something, right? For or make, also related to something, not to a person, but to a thing. For, talk to, it is related to someone, right? In this case, to a person. Talk about, think about, feel plus an adjective plus about. We can use it with something and with a person. Let's have a look at the examples, because sometimes when we read, you can feel a little bit confused. But if you have a look at the examples, then everything comes transparent. Let's see the example. I made a schedule for myself. So as the rule says over there, for, talk to a person. So in this case, I'm talking to myself. I made a schedule for myself, not to myself or from myself. Is for myself. Well, so we use for. Sometimes I talk to myself. Okay, we don't talk for myself or talk from myself. We talk to myself. Tim never thinks about himself. Okay, remember, please, talk about, think about, or feel must be accompanied by an adjective plus about. And it can refer to something or to a person. That's why the example says, Tim never thinks about himself and she feels good. There you have your adjective. She feels good about herself. She doesn't feel good from herself, right? She thinks good about herself. We have to be really careful how we use our reflexive pronouns, right? With some of our verbs and prepositions. So we have to be very careful. Also remember that we have to add sometimes our adjectives like good, excellent. Okay, now that we read and discussed a little bit, we are going to complete our exercise. Exercise A. Complete the article about controlling your nerves in an uncomfortable situation. Oh my God. Circle the correct preposition. This is hard when you have to control your nerves. So let's see what happened here in this article. The title is, do you get the jitters? Oh, or do you get the creeps? Also is an expression, right? When you have goosebumps. Let's see what happens. When people do challenging activities, they get nervous. Sometimes this is called the jitters. This is a new word, but it's excellent, right? You can say, I get the jitters when I'm nervous. I get the jitters in this situation. Getting nervous is a normal reaction, like an athlete before an event, like the jitters before an exam, girls and boys, right? When we are going to take our evaluations, some of us get the jitters because we are nervous. Here are some tips from successful students to help you control the jitters when you have to take a test or speak in front of the class. Okay, let's have a look at those tips. Be well prepared. For example, for a test, make a study schedule for yourself and stick to it. Okay, if you study and you make a plan for that evaluation and you stick to it, you're not going to feel nervous because you have everything you need for that evaluation. For a presentation, make an outline. Remember our outlines when we have to put all our ideas that we're going to talk about? Okay, ideas, outline. So we make an outline for yourself, about yourself, and memorize it. Very good. We say 4, 4, 4. There's Flor, Genesis, Daniela Avila, Vargas, and Jessica. They said 4. Excellent. Okay, we circle 4. Yourself and memorize it. Very good. Next tip. Be positive. Think to yourself or about yourself. Okay, they said about. Let's see, everybody said about. Excellent. Be positive. Think about yourself and how well prepared you are. Talk for yourself or to yourself before the event. Yes, Genesis, Ariana, Brella Genio, Flor, Ariela, Jessica. Very good. This is my wonderful group of geniuses. These girls are ready. Very good. Excellent. Be positive to talk. Okay, we are in number 5. Don't think about yourself or for yourself during the event. Number 5. Let's see. Don't think about. That is what you believe. Okay, everybody says about. Excellent. Very good job. Don't think about yourself during the event. And finally, the last tip. We are going to see our last tip says, reward yourself. After the event, feel good for yourself or feel good about yourself. Okay, very good. Avila, Campos, Genesis Campos, Ariana, Diana, Ariela, very good. Everybody, excellent about. There it is. You did something very challenging. Now, do something nice. Very good, Avila. Excellent, Ariela. Genesis, Monica Garcia, Flor, Vargas. Excellent job. Mejia, very good job. 7, for yourself. Make a nice meal to yourself or for yourself. Okay, here we have different opinions. Some of you are saying 4 and others are saying 2. Okay, here we go. 2 and 4. Let's see number 8. The right answer is 4. Excellent. Very good. Oh, okay, Pablo. Well done. 4. Make a nice meal for yourself or go out with friends and celebrate. Okay, these are wonderful tips. First, you face the challenge, you prepare yourself, you have everything you need to face that challenge, and after you're done, you have to congratulate yourself and reward yourself with something nice because you did excellent well. You did perfectly well. You did fantastically well. So you have to reward yourself with something nice, right? It doesn't have to be that expensive, but you always have to remember that if you did a good job, you deserve a reward, okay? Good words or something nice. Okay, this is page 109, and we already finished our exercises and our class for today. Thank you for your participation. That is always so wonderful. Thank you for being active in class. Okay, God bless you, my sweeties. God bless you, and we are going to stop sharing. And remember that if you have a question, if you have a doubt, if you need help with something that maybe you didn't understand too well, we can talk, you can send me a message, or you can ask a question right now. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. Bye, Jessica Preciosa. See you next class. Bye, Arielita. Have a wonderful week. Send me your, thank you, Jessica. God bless you, sweetie. Send me your evidence, remember. Okay, bye, Florcita. Love you, mi amor. See you next class. Cuídense mucho, chicos. Bye, Mateo. Los quiero mucho. Pórtense bien. Ok. Manténgase tranquilito en casa. Haga todo súper bien con una gran sonrisa. Bye, Florcita. Siempre trabaje y haga todo con una hermosa sonrisa, porque el Señor nos está dando cosas hermosas como es nuestra salud, nuestra familia, la vida, nuestros estudios. Hay miles y miles de razones para estar felices y estar muy agradecidos con Dios. Así que usted disfrute cada día, descanse también, ¿ok? Y cualquier ayuda, cualquier cosa que necesite, escríbame. I love you, boys and girls. God bless you. Señor me les bendiga. Okay, and I see you next class. Bye-bye, sweetie. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.